What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here today with another great video for you guys. So today I want to talk about how to get customers, okay? You can call them contracts, you can call them customers, you can call them accounts. We're going to talk about how to get them, all right? So I'm not going to sugarcoat this thing. It's only a few things you can really do, all right? You can get out there, you can knock on some doors. You can go get on the phone and do cold calls. Or you can use a lead generation service like Clean Biz Network lead generation service that we run and we find appointments for you guys. You can go and subcontract for other companies, but I mean, the main thing is you just got to put the work in, okay? Bottom line, whether you go knocking on doors, you get you some flyers out, you can go to vistaprint.com or order some flyers. You can create your own flyers with websites like canva.com or programs like Microsoft Publisher or even Google Docs, you know what I mean? Create your own flyers. But it's not that hard, okay? Get you some flyers, get you some business cards, order some business cards from Vistaprint, and go door to door and, ask. Walking in, ask them if you can provide them with a free cleaning service quote, all right? That's how you find customers, all right? Now, the thing that gets people hung up is, do you provide the quote now or do you provide the quote later? So I always recommend that you go in, try to get a walkthrough. First, once you get the walkthrough, do the walkthrough, and then you can give them the pricing information later, okay, in your proposal, okay? Now, if you don't know how to bid, calculatedclean.com, okay? I have an app called Calculated Clean. You can download the app on iPhone or Android, or you can go to calculatedclean.com, the website, like I said before, and you can use our bidding calculator, okay? It does cost $5 a month, actually $4.99 to be precise, okay? So $4.99 a month, but it is a free 7-day trial. So let's just say you get your walkthrough today, you go use the trial, get your bid, we'll calculate the bid for you on calculatedclean.com. Then you can put together your proposal as well through calculatedclean.com. All you do is plug in the information about the customer, okay? Plug it into the on the Calculated Clean proposal generator tool, and you can actually email the proposal directly to the point of contact for that walkthrough instantly, okay? It goes straight to them from that app, all right? So that's a pretty cool feature for you guys, and it comes with all of the different, like a template already involved with the terms and conditions and everything. Obviously, you can go in there and change it and tweak it to fit the needs for your company, but everything is there for you. So it's like, really, it's not that hard, man. I mean, you can buy leads from us, we'll set an appointment for you, you know what I mean? Or like I said, you go door to door, pick up the phone, and that's all it is to it. You gotta understand, I run a whole lead generation service just based off of cold calling, okay? I got cold callers working for me, and they call nonstop Monday through Friday. So that's the difference between us cold calling versus you cold calling is we call hundreds and thousands of businesses every single day, okay, Monday through Friday. Versus you, as one person, you might only even call, maybe 50 to 100 businesses each day. And it's like, and that's if you're lucky, if you can do this full time. A lot of you guys got full-time jobs, you got day jobs, and so you really don't have the time to, go out and go door to door, or go out and take the time to cold call it on your phone or whatever. So that's why I would recommend using our lead generation service first. I mean, so many different people start off and they don't even get the starter kit, which we offer those starter kit or my course. They don't use any of that. They just use my lead generation service. Let us set the appointment for them when they go out and close the deal. So that's really the best option I would recommend to you guys. But then also, I mean, even if, let's just say you're taking your child to the doctor today, what's stopping you from opening up your mouth and saying, hey, is it okay if I offer you guys a free cleaning service quote, okay? And let her walk you around, show you what they would like clean, and then offer it and send a proposal over, okay? So even instances like that where you just out and about, maybe you at church, churches use cleaning services, okay? Offer your services there. Like I said, at the doctor, at the car dealership, anywhere you go, offer your services. Even some retail stores hire cleaning companies, okay? So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, pass out your cards, okay? Pass out your flyers, use social media, post every single day. Before and after pictures are gold, okay? You never lose with before and after pictures as well as videos. Even with your website, okay? With your website, don't use stock pictures, okay? Don't use generic photos, fake photos you found on the internet. Get pictures of your real team, and if you don't have a team, it's just you cleaning, get somebody to come with you one day just to take pictures and video you cleaning out in the field, all right? Post that stuff on social media. It makes a difference. Set up a Google My Business page, okay? I'm giving y'all a little bit of extra knowledge this time, just for fun, okay? So set that up so you can be able to get searched a little bit, all right? Work on figuring out how to learn SEO and stuff like that on your website, so that way your website will come up better, all right? Get on Instagram. Instagram is very good with SEO, okay? So, but bottom line, man, just hustle. Put yourself out there. Get on LinkedIn. Join different groups. I mean, the list goes on and on and on about the ways that you can find contractors. There is no specific way. I know a lot of people getting into this line of business and they think, okay, well, is it like a website I go to bid on contracts, or is it a certain place? There's no way. There's no set up way. I mean, there are some websites out there like I won't even say it, but it's different websites out there because I don't want to share too much, because a lot of the information I do share with my paid members in the Clean Biz Network, and you can join us at cleanbiznetwork.com. But and so I don't want to cheat them if they already paid for the information. But there's resources out there. But the bottom line is, man, it's not that hard. Okay, it really is not. Go open your mouth. Closed mouths don't get fed. And set a goal. Okay, set a goal. I always tell people this: knock on 10 doors every day, Monday through Friday. That's 50 buildings every single week. Okay, and that's at least 200 buildings every single month. Okay, so out of those 200, try to close one deal out of every 200 doors that you knock on. It's possible for you. Okay, and if you get started today with your cleaning company, who knows where you'll be 6 months from now, a year from now. At least 50% of the people in Clean Biz Network, from the day that they start their cleaning company, a year later they doing they're at the 6-figure level. Okay, and that's just fact. I did it. Okay, I can name so many different people. You watch the interviews, y'all watch the testimonials, right? Well, people take off from day one, and next thing you know, a year later they look up and they're doing 6 figures in revenue now with their company. So it's possible for you, and it's like, I know it sounds unreasonable. I know it sounds unrealistic. I know that look, you know what I mean? I'm still me. You know what I mean? So I've been me. I ain't gonna change. You know what I mean? Like I finally, I stepped up a little bit and moved into the office, but it's still me. Like I'm still walking around with my little fitted. You know what I mean? I'm not the most professionalist guy in the world. I'm not the most traditional business guy that you will come across. Yet I was always able to close deals. Okay, so if I can do this stuff, why shouldn't you be able to? Right? As long as you can talk. Smile, put a smile on your face, give a firm handshake. You know what I mean? You can close the deal, but you just got to believe in yourself, have that confidence, invest in yourself, order some business cards, order some marketing material, get some business insurance. You know what I mean? Get insured. Do the things you have to do, put some money into that thing, invest in yourself, invest in your business, and go make it work. Just keep working it, man. That's all it is to it. If you ain't got time to go knock on doors, you ain't got time to pick up the phone and cold call, use us. CleanBizNetwork.com, click on lead generation service, we'll set the appointments for you. If you don't have anything, you don't know where to start, go to CleanBizNetwork.com, click on starter kits, and we can get you started with starter kits, ship the equipment straight to your house, set you up with 10 bid appointments so you can walk through 10 different opportunities to close a deal. You can't close the deal out of 10 opportunities, and I done gave you all of the information on how to close the deal and everything. You know what I mean? Like, it's fail proof, it really is. So join us in Clean Biz Network, get you a starter kit, buy you some leads, download Calculated Clean app. Everything is here for you, all right? And even if you don't want to do none of that, I got hundreds of free videos here on YouTube that you can look at, all right? So, and even podcast episodes too, for those of y'all listening on the podcast, Clean Biz Network podcast. So, thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and comment, man. If y'all want more information, y'all know what to do, cleanbiznetwork.com. Hopefully this video was able to help y'all, man, and just take action. Set your goal. I'm going to this many businesses this week. I'm going to call this many businesses this week. I'm going to buy this many leads from Clean Biz Network this week. Whatever you got to do. I'll set it in Home Advisor, Thumbtack, BART, all of these different companies as well. We're not the only lead generation service in the world. As a matter of fact, they're lead generation service. Really, we're more of an appointment setting service because we actually set you an appointment and a walkthrough. Those companies will give you leads and then you got to call and compete with other companies. But either way, bottom line is take action. All right, that's what I got for y'all. AJ Simmons. Thank y'all.